Today I'm going to show you how to make money online using a website called Jumptask.io. This is beginner-friendly, free to join, and you can start earning in minutes. I'll show you how to sign up, how to earn, and how to withdraw your money step by step. Jumptask is a micro-task website. That means you earn money by doing small tasks online. Things like surveys, playing games, watching videos, and testing apps. You get paid in a crypto token called JMPT. First, go to Jumptask.io. Click on Sign Up. You can create an account using Google, Facebook, Apple, or a crypto wallet. Choose the option that's easiest for you and finish the sign up. After signing up, you'll see your dashboard. This is where all earning opportunities appear. Each task shows how much you'll earn before you start. To earn money, just choose a task. You can do surveys, play games, watch ads, or test apps. Complete the task as instructed, and you'll earn JMPT tokens instantly. Jumptask also offers passive income options. You can earn by sharing unused internet data or connecting partner apps like Honeygain. This allows you to earn even when you're not actively working. Earnings depend on how active you are. Most beginners earn small amounts daily. With consistency, your earnings can increase over time. This is not get rich quick, but it is real online income. When you're ready to withdraw, go to your wallet section. Jumptask pays in JMPT crypto tokens. You need a crypto wallet like MetaMask to receive your earnings. Connect your wallet, choose withdraw, and confirm the transaction. Your JMPT tokens will be sent to your wallet. From there, you can swap them to other crypto or withdraw as cash using an exchange. Always double-check your wallet address. Never share your private keys. And take your time if you are new to crypto. If you want to try Jumptask, the link is in the description. Sign up, start small, and stay consistent. Thanks for watching.